morning, food lovers. Karibuni to a delicious episode of the Sunbasket Show. So leo we are whipping up a hearty breakfast that's bound to kickstart your day. Leo tunatengeneza toast sandwich, some sausages na kachai pale tu kidogo. So grab your aprons and get ready to follow along as we create a meal that is as satisfying as it is scrumptious. So before we start the preparations for the cooking, itabidi kwanza tufike kwa local supermarket to get some ingredients that includes the sausages and the brown. Now let's get creative with the addings. Dice your tomatoes and onions and beat your egg. And then add the diced tomatoes and onions into the mixture and stir. Sasa ongeza spices zako depending on your preference, but feel free to customize your sandwich with your favorite ingredients. Mimi naeka hapa some black pepper, mixed spice, garam masala, and some red paprika. Start by selecting your favorite bread. You can choose any bread you love. So mimi hapa niliamua ka super loaf hivi. So you're gonna cut the slices in the middle. Also cut your browning to the same size. So now you're gonna heat up your pan over medium heat and add a little oil and place those slices in. Ongeza the mixture hapo katikati and cover with the brown. Don't forget to add the slices that were removed from the middle, then press down gently. Cook them until they are beautifully golden brown on all sides. This will take about 5 minutes. And there you have it, a mouth-watering toast sandwich. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry the sausages. Here I'm using some safari beef sausages. That's my preference. I don't prefer pork, I prefer beef. And this should take about 10 minutes till they're golden and cooked. Alafu unaweza dunga pale ndani, at least zikianza kufura zisipasuke. It should take about 10 minutes till they're golden and cooked. Perfect, look at these beauties. Crispy, juicy sausages to satisfy your cravings. Now that we have our sausages on the sandwich, ni wakati wa kutengeneza chai. And I suppose kila mtu anajua kupika chai hapa. Unaweka tu maziwa twako, tu maji, alafu unaongeza majani. But kama una majani kama mimi, you can use some tea bags, which we're going to use here. Usiserve chakula boring. At least try to get creative with plating and garnishing. There you have it, a complete delicious breakfast to start your day off right. Remember, the best breakfasts are the ones made with love, so get creative and make it your own. Thanks for joining us today. I've been your host, Gacheru, and I'll see you next week, same place, same time for more scrumptious recipe on the Sunbasket Show, only on the Oracle Television Network. Enjoy your meal and have a fantastic day.